In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck at loading 99 or 0%. First, right-click Marvel Rivals. Select Properties. Select Installed Files. Click on Move Install Folder. Select an SSD drive and then press Move. If you use the Epic Games Launcher, then do the same. Open your Microsoft Store. Search for free VPN, select Hotspot Shield or any other free VPN you want to use. Install it, run it, and check if your game loads.
First, open your control panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your connection. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred server type 8888. In alternate server type 8844. Press OK. If 8888 didn't work, then type 1111. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.